Before you begin, make sure you familiarize yourself with all the parts and fully read the instructions. This installation is considered to be moderate. Begin by removing the black screw used to lock the slides in place during shipping on the underside of each shelf. With the shelf lying face down, the hub toward you and the round of the shelf away from you, determine which configuration is necessary for your application. Note, all the models ship ready for left-hand installation. To change to the right-hand configuration, first, remove the 4 screws attaching the slides to the shelves. Reposition the slides on the screw inserts to the far right and reinstall the screws. Secondly, loosen the 4 screws that attach the mounting arm to the slides. Slide the bracket until the screws on the right side are aligned with the letter that corresponds to the model you have ordered. Once aligned, securely tighten the 4 screws. Position the lower hub assembly against the rear of the corner upright cabinet rail. Fasten securely with the 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch pan head Phillips wood screws provided. Position one of the shelves on top of the hub. Insert the pole through the shelf and into the lower hub. Measure and mark for the bottom of the upper mounting bracket. The maximum height is 13 3/8 of an inch, but the upper shelf can be lowered from there to your desired height. Slide the upper mounting bracket onto the pole and position the bottom of the flange on the mark you previously made. Install with the 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch flathead Phillips wood screws provided. Slide the top shelf on the pole until it is nestled securely on the upper hub assembly. Test the shelves by cycling them in and out of the cabinet.